Struggling to find the perfect position for your monitor while working or gaming? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, HUANUO Adjustable Monitor Arm. The HUANUO single monitor mount stands out for its incredible versatility. Priced reasonably, it supports monitors from 13 to 32 inches and can hold between 4.4 to 19.8 pounds, making it an adaptable choice for various setups. If you want a solution that enhances your comfort and viewing experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HUANUO offers an impressive tilt range of -50 degrees to +85 degrees and full rotation capabilities, which means you can adjust your screen to the exact angle you need easily, no more straining your neck. Plus, it's built from alloy steel and has passed 20,000 motion tests, ensuring that it will stay sturdy for over 5 years. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky at first. Here's the thing though, if you follow the clear instructions and have a standard desk, you'll find it straightforward. A little patience goes a long way here. This is perfect for you if you want an ergonomic setup that's easy to adjust throughout the day. Skip this one if you have a heavier monitor outside the weight limit. When you consider its price and features, it's an impressive value. Now, if HUANUO's installation issues bothered you, this next one from Wally might actually be even better for ease of setup. Product number 2, Wally Gas Spring Monitor Arm. Next up is the Wally Single Monitor Mount, designed for screens between 17 to 34 inches and capable of supporting up to 26.4 pounds. Priced at around $33, it's a solid option that caught my eye for its gas spring mechanism. If you want a fluid, adjustable experience for your monitor, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this product is its full adjustability. It tilts +70 degrees to -45 degrees, swivels 180 degrees and rotates 360 degrees, allowing for optimal workspace organization. With a max extension of 19.3 inches, you can find that sweet spot without straining your back or neck. This is especially beneficial if you spend long hours at your desk. However, some users mention that the gas spring can be a bit tricky to adjust initially. Just be sure to follow the instructions closely. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile mount that can grow with your needs. Skip this one if you're using a very large or heavy monitor. For the price, you're getting a fantastic product that enhances your workspace. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger screens. Product number 3, Wally Heavy Duty Monitor Arm. The Wally Heavy Duty Single Monitor Arm is designed for durability and compatibility with screens from 17 to 49 inches. Priced at roughly $34, this one particularly impressed me with its max load capacity of 33 pounds, which means it can handle even the bulkiest monitors. If you want a sturdy mount that doesn't compromise on adjustability, this is worth a serious look. That means once you position your monitor, it won't sag or need constant readjustment, which is a huge plus during intense gaming or work marathons. With ±75 degrees tilt and 360 degrees rotation, you can easily customize your viewing angle for maximum comfort. A few users reported that it doesn't fit all ultra-wide monitors, especially those with extreme curvature. But here's the thing, if you have a standard monitor size, you won't really face this issue. Just check your monitor specs before buying. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer or creative professional who values stability and flexibility. Skip this if you own a non-standard monitor size. For what you get, it's a great investment in your workspace. Now, if the weight limit on the last one still concerns you, Amazon Basics has a more straightforward option that might suit you perfectly. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Monitor Stand. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Single Computer Monitor Stand, a budget-friendly option priced at about $36. It fits monitors from 13 to 30 inches and can handle up to 22 pounds. If you want an uncomplicated, reliable mount without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the full range of motion it offers. With 360-degree rotation and adjustable height, you can easily switch between landscape and portrait modes. This level of customization is perfect for multitaskers like you who need to maximize efficiency. However, the maximum tilt angle is only 15 degrees, which might limit some users. But honestly, if you're not too picky about extreme angles, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's straightforward and does what it's supposed to do. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for your monitor setup. Skip this one if you need extensive tilt or swivel options. It's a solid value, especially for basic needs. Now, if you want something more versatile that can handle larger monitors, let's check out the MOUNTUP monitor arm. Product number 5, MOUNTUP Adjustable Monitor Arm. Lastly, we have the MOUNTUP Single Monitor Desk Mount, which can accommodate screens up to 32 inches and supports weights between 4.4 to 17.6 pounds. It's another great option if you're looking for adjustability and space-saving features. If you want a monitor arm that offers complete motion flexibility for a better workspace, this is worth a serious look. With built-in cable management, you can keep your desk tidy while freeing up over 80% of your workspace. The range of motion is substantial too, with a tilt of 90 degrees and a height adjustment that can elevate your screen significantly. Some users did mention that it might be a bit tricky to assemble for the first time. But honestly, if you follow the instructions carefully, you should be fine. Just give yourself a little time to figure it out. This is perfect for you if you want to maximize your desk space and improve your ergonomic setup. Skip this one if you're using a very heavy monitor, as it won't support those. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to improve their workspace. Now, let's wrap it all up and see which one stands out the most. So to quickly compare, the HUA-NUO offers adaptability. Wally's gas springs provide fluid motion. The heavy-duty Wally model excels in stability. Amazon Basics is a budget-friendly choice, and MOUNTUP shines in space-saving design. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wally heavy-duty single monitor arm because it balances durability and adjustability perfectly for a variety of monitors. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.